What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Sassy Forex Academy. In today's lesson, we're going to talk about one of the simplest but most powerful tools in trading, and that's trend lines. If you're a beginner, this is something that you need to learn because trend lines can help you identify the direction of the market and find better trading opportunities. Let's get into it. So, what is a trend line? A trend line is simply a line that you draw on your chart to connect important highs and lows. It helps you visualize whether the market is moving up or if it's moving down or moving sideways. You need to know. So, let's start with a trend. So, let's start with a downtrend. And as you can see, a trend, we all know what trends are, right? When something is following, when it's trending, when people are doing the same thing. So in this aspect, it's when the candles are doing the same thing. So first, we're going to look for our lower highs. And as you can see right here, it seems like this is where it starts, right? And then look at this right here. It continues to go down. No matter how it goes up, it continues to come back down. And this is what we call a downtrend. Now let's talk about uptrend. When the market is making high highs and high lows, you draw your trend line by connecting at least 2 or 3 swing lows. The more times that you see it in the same form, the stronger the trend lines becomes. Let's look at it in the chart. Okay, so here we're doing uptrend, and you always want to see it trending higher after it goes low. So we'll start here. Can you see that it went up and it come down? Then it goes up. We're on a trend. Then it goes down and then it goes up again. This is a trend going up. You always want to make sure that it's going higher each time that it goes low. That's the simple way to put it so you can understand it. It goes higher each time that it goes low. One mistake that beginners make is trying to force a trend line to fit the chart. Don't do that. Let the market tell the story. Your trend line should naturally connect the highs or lows without cutting through a lot of candles. Another important thing to remember is that trend lines are not exact. Think of them as zones rather than perfect lines. Don't look for them to be perfect. Price may touch that line exactly, or it may come close before moving away. That's completely normal. When price respects a trend line, it often acts as support in an uptrend or resistance in a downtrend. You guys know I love support and resistance zones. Traders watch these areas because they can provide potential buying or selling opportunities. I love support and resistance zones. However, if price breaks a trend line with strong momentum, it could be a sign that the trend is weakening or that a new trend is beginning. You have to pay attention to that. It doesn't automatically mean you should enter a trade. It simply tells you to pay close attention and look for confirmation. We always have to look for confirmation. My advice would be is to combine trend lines with your EMA and price action instead of relying on trend lines alone. The EMA will tell you exactly what the market is doing. The more confirmation you have, the stronger your trading setup becomes. Practice drawing trend lines on different currency pairs every day. The more charts you study, the easier it becomes to spot trends and build confidence in your analysis. Technical analysis is so huge. You have to study, you have to go in, and you have to play in them charts. If you found this lesson helpful, please make sure that you like this video, subscribe to Sassy Forex Academy, and turn on your notifications so you never miss another Forex lesson. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading.